Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into what PayPal is, how it works, and why it's still most popular, one of the most popular online payment platforms in 2025. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just someone who shops online, this is for you. PayPal is an online payment system that lets you send and receive money safely using just your email address or phone number. No need to share your bank information directly with others. It started back in 1998, and by 2025, it's become a global payment giant available in over 200 countries and supporting 25 plus currencies. It's fast, it's secure, it works with bank account, debit, credit cards, and even crypto in some countries. Whether you are paying for products online, receiving freelance payments, or sending money to friends or family, PayPal makes it easy. Creating an account. Go to paypal.com or use the PayPal app before. Ensure that the PayPal is supported countries name like India, United States. You will need to sign up using an email address and create a strong password. Then click on login button, then enter your email and password. Verify your account with an one-time passcode. Then link your bank account from click from dashboard, link a bank account, credit or debit card, or even a digital wallet. Want to send money? Just click send from pay and get paid. Then send payments. Enter recipient's email or phone number or username. Type the amount. Choose the currency and hit send. They will get it instantly. And if they don't have a PayPal account, they will be prompted to create one. When someone sends you money, it shows up in your PayPal balance. You can keep it there and spend online. Transfer it to your bank or use a PayPal credit card if available in your region. Accept payments via email, links, or website buttons. Generate invoices. Even set up subscriptions. All transactions are encrypted. They offer purchase protection, so if you get scammed, you can open a dispute. And in 2025, PayPal has even added AI fraud detection to stop suspicious activities before they happen. Let's quick go let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, global support, secure transactions, works with bank cards, accounts, and even crypto. Fees for currency conversions or international transfers. Can freeze account during suspicious activity not available in some countries. And that's a quick look at PayPal in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech explainers. Got a questions? Got a question or want a tutorial on something else? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.